Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're covering a very highly requested topic: how to become a funded trader in 2025. First, let's clarify what prop firms actually are because we'll be talking more about them. Prop firms, or proprietary trading firms, fund traders to trade financial markets using the firm's capital rather than their own. This means you trade without risking your personal savings, and in return, you share a percentage of your profits that you generate with the firm. Now, to receive funding, prop firms usually require traders to go through an evaluation phase. During this evaluation, you'll trade on a simulated account with specific profit targets that you must achieve and drawdown limits that you must not exceed. Drawdown limits are basically how much you're allowed to lose during the evaluation. If you successfully meet the profit targets without hitting the drawdown limits, you qualify to trade with real money. So, why do traders prefer prop firms instead of trading with their own money? Quite a reasonable question. Well, trading successfully requires substantial capital, and losing your own funds can be a significant setback. Prop firms offer this essential capital, which allow you to trade confidently without risking your personal savings. Another big advantage is access to advanced analytic tools. Good analytics help traders manage risks and quickly spot profitable opportunities, and it also significantly enhances trading performance. And that's precisely what prop firms offer. They give you both the capital and the sophisticated analytical tools that are needed for successful trading. Now, one standout prop firm that caught my attention is AI Prop. They're a next-generation firm that is based in Dubai that is known for quick and easy access to funding. What sets AI Prop apart is their advanced AI tools like AI Coach and AI Analytics, which save traders valuable time by cutting analysis work in half and help improve decision-making. Plus, they're one of the few firms that are allowing full use of AI trading bots during the evaluation phase. This isn't typical in the industry, so I think it's worth checking out. All right, let's get into the steps of becoming a funded trader in 2025. Step one, obviously, is to choose the right prop firm. And here's a quick overview of the top 5 firms that you might consider. First one is AI Prop, as we discussed earlier. It is ideal for those who want quick funding access, advanced AI tools, flexible AI trading bot policies, and clear evaluation rules with attractive drawdown limits. You can watch my full breakdown on AI Prop from the video link in the description. Next one is DNA funded, which is great if you're looking for a low cost evaluation and flexible markets and high profit sharing potential that is up to 90%. However, do keep in mind that their maximum daily and total loss limits or drawdowns are 5% and 6% respectively, which is less than what AI Prop offers. So you have more chances of failing the evaluation in DNA funded. Then we have Bright funded, which is known for maximum profit splits up to 100%, and they offer great flexibility. Then we have Top Step, which is ideal if you're focused on futures market with clear evaluation rules. And finally, we have Apex Trader funding, which is great for futures traders. They have simple evaluation and they offer competitive profit splits. Now, do keep in mind that you have to think about your preferred market, your trading style, and flexibility when picking a firm. Step 2 is to understand the evaluation process clearly. After choosing your prop firm, you're going to pay a small fee and you're going to start trading on a demo account. The goal remains very clear: meet the firm's profit targets without exceeding their drawdown limits. So always trade responsibly and treat the demo account exactly like real money. Step 3 will be to select your trading strategy. You're going to decide whether you prefer manual trading, automated trading, or a hybrid. Automated trading using bots is quickly gaining popularity due to consistent and emotion-free trading. Firms like AI Prop even encourage automation during the evaluation phase. And I will suggest that you use other trading platforms that allow simulation or demo trading along with trading automation, so you can deploy multiple automated strategies. You can run them for days or weeks, and you can see which one generates the most consistent profits. For example, I used Gel Data platform to create 5 to 6 different strategies. You can watch my videos on how these strategies work and how I made them. Links will be in the description. Now, out of those strategies, 2 strategies that I made through Bollinger Bands provided the highest returns. So if I was to go with the evaluation, I'll probably go ahead with my best strategy, that is the Bollinger Bands reversal strategy. And the next step, the step 4, will be to manage your emotions and expectations. Becoming funded isn't a quick fix for easy money. It takes discipline, patience, and consistent performance. So keep your expectations very realistic. Step 5 will be to start with the right account size. Smaller accounts are usually best if you're new, which allow you to build confidence. Experienced traders might target larger funding immediately. And finally, the step 6 will be to prioritize risk management once you're funded. So staying disciplined and consistent is key. Protect your funded status by maintaining steady and responsible growth. That's your clear roadmap on becoming a funded trader in 2025. So if you're ready to start, I'll suggest that you definitely check out AI Prop, which will be linked in the description. They could be an excellent partner in your trading journey. And yeah, this is all of you guys in this video. None of this was financial advice. I think that's pretty obvious. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned.